Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm in my kitchen and we're going to go through the OXX Cosmetics Retro Glam look today. I picked these all up for about $2 a piece while I was in town. So I'm gonna start with my moisturising and my under eye care. And we're going to get through it. This is the Revitalift Day Cream. They're always having sales and specials on Big W online, and that's where I bought mine from. So the colours that I picked out were the only ones available, and we're going to open the boxes and packaging together. So you see $2, that one fell off, $2, $2. This was on the $1 rack, that's the blush. It doesn't have a name on it that I can see, so I'm not too fussed. So and do you like my chain earrings? Really like these. I was on Temu, and I thought, yep, they are my jam. They're $1.80 or $1 something a piece, so I thought, yep, I'm absolutely getting them. Yes, thank you. I'll tag those. And we're going to go in with the Maybelline Prime Light. Maybelline Prime Light Face Primer. It has a strobing effect. It's oil free. And it's in the shade 02 Prime Light. It's pore minimising, prime skin to create a smooth canvas for makeup. Hydrates, brightens lackluster skin. That's how mine looks right now. It's a bit dull. Can be applied post foundation for additional radiance. Lightweight with a luminous finish. So the makeup that I had on yesterday, ooh, crap. It was extremely luminous, but it looked so beautiful. And I've been using this because I found it in all of my moving boxes, but I've been using this. I used it on the weekend when I thought, doing my makeup will make me feel good. So I put this on with the whole wanting to make my skin shiny, and because I have an oily base complexion, when it's really, really hot, I sweat buckets. And this yesterday just made my skin feel and look so beautiful and so shiny, and I absolutely love it. So we've done moisturiser, under eye cream and primer. Now we're going to go with my favourite foundation of late. So on top of that strobing primer, I'm going to go in with the MCO Beauty Flawless Glow. And I only ever buy these on special as well. So being stupid, I decided I'll use a sponge with this. This will work out great, it'll be fine. No, it really wasn't. So I'll go back in, because you can use this as a primer, a highlighter, under foundation luminizer. And it all works out fantastic. But I use it as another base makeup for when I apply my foundation, because not only if you lift up any base product on my face, it's like red. So if I have my moisturiser, eye cream, primer and the Flawless Glow, doesn't that look like a knockoff of Charlotte Tilbury? Anyway, it won't lift, it won't budge, it will stay there. And I don't really know which brush to use, because the one that I had been using is ready to be washed. So, not to worry. We'll use my e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. And about 3 weeks ago, I ordered a new beauty ring light. So that is going to be here hopefully soon. But I mean, ordering it 3 weeks ago, I'd expect it to be here, but it's still in Victoria, ready to be shipped out. Anyway. And even though I have my kitchen light on at the moment, it still looks very shiny, very luminous, very beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I've been, you know what it is, my Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation. Now I do use my beauty sponge on this, and if I knew where it was, I'd be using it right now. Well, it's not there. If I didn't know where my head was, some days. So I'll just go in on top of the Flawless Glow, and I'll work all of that in. So I'm going to get my base done and I'll be back with all the fun stuff. Now we're back. We're all done with the base products. and I will position the camera. There we go. Now we get into all the fun products. So I've got a liquid blush and a highlighter, liquid highlight. And these are going to be tricky AF to get into. So the blush doesn't have a name, but it's a very bright, very corally like colour. And it has a dropper. I had no idea. So I'm going to add, oh buddy. Okay, so we're going to separate this, because I don't know how pigmented it's going to be. Wow. That is beautiful. Wow. And with all the glowy products underneath. If you can see that.